tiffin number 1. This is not plastic, this is made from wheat straw. Material is good, everything is good, even the sizes of the compartments are good. The only problem I faced कि आप इतना अच्छा टिफिन पैक करके देते हो, उसके बाद भी अंदर सारा कुछ मिक्स हो जाता है. That was the only reason why I chose or I bought another one. ये अभी recently खरीदा है, अभी इसको यूज़ भी नहीं किया. And the best part, like this, ज़्यादा खाना नहीं देना, छोटा मोटा स्नैक्स है आप इसमें दे सकते हैं. It's made of silicone and look at these gaskets. Gonna go straight into the compartments. So कुछ भी अगर मिक्स होगा तो अपने कंपार्टमेंट में मिक्स होगा, इधर उधर नहीं आएगा. So that's the second one. It's very inexpensive on Amazon. And this one we bought from Ikea when we went to Hyderabad. It's nothing special, no compartment. But if you only want to put something, you know, one type of food item, maybe fruits or just a sandwich or something, you can use this as well. I'm going to share all the prices on the description box and in the caption. Do check it out.